Well, welcome to the High Maintenance Hangar, episode 110, I think. Anyway, getting the week started here. We've had a thunderstorm roll through here. Just made everything wet and cool. Looks like there's more on the way, but it's a nice temperature here. So I'm in the hangar here and working on these gap seals. Last week, if you were here, we talked about the installation and what we have to do. And right now I'm removing the metal strips that hold the gap seals in this inner one. Still have to do everything on the left wing. Okay, so we're back at it.
I'll be back here shortly, Bob.
That's fine. Jan and Kenneth here are working on a floor for the nose. Let me walk up the nose and show you what they're dealing with, but just trying to get things fabricated. Okay. So there's voids in the nose here. We have an antenna wire that goes down through there. We don't want anybody stepping on it. We also have, there were some voids in here, and Jan's got this all prepped, and this has had final fitment, just needs to come out and get painted. In the meantime, I'm still working on gap seals. So I'm going to get up here on this wing and do some riveting, but we have some visitors. One of my subscribers and his buddy are here looking over the airplane. Unfortunately, I had intended on introducing Stuart on the channel. He was there shepherding TBM Avenger that was there on the field. I didn't get any footage of the Avenger or Stuart. There was just too many people and too many things going on. I think Stuart will be back again. The Avenger was just a really pretty bird. Unfortunately, I just screwed up and got nothing on it. So I'll try to get some video from Stuart in the future, see if I can put it on the channel. But that's an unfortunate thing, and I apologize. He's actually in town because just down the road here is Spanish Fork Airport. We're having a fly-in. It'll be tomorrow. That's Saturday. They've got the Ye Old Pub is a B-17 down there at the airport. The Privateer from Arizona, TBM from Colorado Springs, a B-25 from Arizona, and I quite frankly don't know what else is over there. But I'll go over and shoot some video tomorrow, and you'll see it when you're watching this. So stand by. In the meantime, I'm going to go up and do some riveting. I've got some rivets squeezed. I'm just waiting for Jan to get back from lunch, and we'll drive the rest of them. But you know that inner gap seal I've been talking about? Well, thanks to Air Corps Library, we now have a drawing for it. There's not a true pattern here, so I'm going to have to line this out on paper, and it's not quite to scale. This dimension right here where it says 8 1/4, on paper this is actually 7 5/8. So this has got to be scaled up. I couldn't quite get the copy place to get it to the size I needed it without it being super expensive. So anyway, yeah. So if we can't find some NOS articles somewhere, we'll have to plot this out on paper and get it cut and sewn up and all that stuff. Well, unfortunately, we didn't get to do as much as we'd have liked to have done yesterday, but right now we're headed to an air show at Spanish Fork Airport here in Utah. We're just a few minutes down the road from our airport, and there we see some aerobatics going on. Looks like there's a 4-ship formation flight. Saw an L-39 a little bit ago. There's supposed to be a Privateer, a PB or a B-25, TBM, B-17. We'll see what else there is. So stand by.
This is the runway attack. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, they are serious.
Drive you around.
What are those wheels?
Look at the tires. Yeah, I can't imagine why.
Yeah.
Well, now that's a hearse.
What are you in the mood for? start flagging that off, and we are going to get ready for some really cool racing. Josh, I'll tell you what, give me 1 second because I got a pretty special guy standing right behind you here. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been a day like no other. A farewell tour, if you will. It's got to be a bittersweet moment. I'm in the trailer with our friend from California, Danny Sorensen. Perfectly ready to go service airplane. Put the wings on and ready to fly that unit. Oh, very cool. You got crew chief Jerry. Yeah, a little bit. Hopefully we can get this figured out. We got Jeff out there and it's a tech on our car if you look at it. Number 3 is on the line right now. That's dragging at 29 over 700 horsepower.
Se ve como que sí, ahí está, mira.